Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know I have been gone for like over 2 weeks now. I haven't uploaded in a really long time, and I'm sorry. I apologize. I have been so busy. Like, I went to Los Angeles for like 4 to 5 days. I have been studying for my super huge exam that's coming up. I have finals on top of that. I've been really busy. It's been hard to like even sit down and like do my own makeup. Like, I literally don't wear makeup anymore. Like, I do like normal makeup, like an everyday makeup, but I literally don't even have time to just do makeup and like sit down and film. So I apologize. I'm so sorry, but I'm back now, and if you guys remember, since it's been so long, I did put a poll up on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a theme of the next few videos as a celebrity inspired theme, like me creating some celebrity looks or doing a look that's based off of the rainbow. So I did get a large majority of you wanted me to do some celebrity recreation looks, so that's what I've done today. If you guys can't tell from the title, this is the Kim Kardashian inspired look. So she just came out with a KKW by Mario, like they collaborated, and they came out with this really beautiful palette, and the one color that everybody's talking about and it's all over social media is that blue cobalt color. So I don't have the palette. I did not buy it because I cannot justify buying yet another makeup palette when I have so many. But I did do a look that is based off of that main blue look that she has been rocking for the last few weeks. So yeah, this is the picture. It's amazing. I love the look. I think it's amazing on her. So yeah, I was like, why not recreate it? I do have a palette that has a bunch of pretty bold colors, so that is what I've done today. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another makeup tutorial with moi. And without further ado, let's get to the makeup. Done. Okay guys, since this is a celebrity inspired recreation look kind of thing, I'm doing a full face look. So from my eyeshadow to my face makeup to contour and everything, I will be doing it on camera. I know I haven't done a full face in a while, well, I haven't been here for a while. I haven't really done anything for a while since I suck, but I'm back now. Most of you, I'm sure, have seen the launch of the KKW by Mario. So in this picture of Kim Kardashian that I'm recreating, her eyes are just like so blue. Like, the only thing really on there is some blue and then like a little bit of a transition color to like blend it in with the rest of her skin tone, and then probably some black. Yeah, I think there's some black, like as it like smudged as to look like it's eyeliner, but she doesn't actually have eyeliner on. So I'm gonna start off with my eyes. I'm not putting any tape because even in this picture it's not very crisp. It's kind of like all flows together and it's like just like, yeah. So anyway, I am using today my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions mini palette. So there are two colors in this palette that kind of look similar to the colors that you saw, or the blue color that's in the KKW palette. So these two, right, well, this one looks more like it. This one's like a little bit lighter, so I think I'm going to be going mostly with this color over here. And I'm taking like a flat-ended brush. I'm actually going to wet it first. And I'm just going to go in with that color and put it all over my eyes. And we'll see what happens from there. Maybe I'll just use my finger, actually. Your finger works best. And then it like kind of fans out on the edge over here, like as if it's like a wing, but it's not. So let's see how that works. Okay, I'm gonna get a pencil brush because that will help. Okay, so the dark blue in this palette is actually a little bit too dark, like for the makeup look that we're going for. In the picture, it looks a little bit more turquoise, so at least towards the inner corner, it looks a little turquoise. So I don't know, maybe they added some sort of color, or I don't really know. But anyway, it looks a little bit more turquoise in the picture. So I'm adding some of this little blue shimmery color only towards the inner corner, and that's just gonna like blend in with the darker color and make it look a little bit more like the color that Kim is using. Okay, so now I'm going to start blending out the edges because it looks a little ridiculous right now. So I'm literally just taking a fluffy brush that has some like brownish color on it from this morning when I did my makeup, and I'm just going to brush it along until this is already failing. Guys, I don't know if this is going to work very well. I don't know if this is going to look good, but we'll see. I'm trying my best, you guys. I'm trying my best. Once I do my face makeup, I'm going to bring this down to the bottom lash line and it'll be more like flowy, just like the picture, but I need to do the rest of my makeup before I do that. So let me just go and finish this eye and then we'll move on to my face. So now I'm going to move on to my face makeup. I am starting... Whoops. Now I'm going to move on with my regular routine that I do on a regular day-to-day basis. I am picking up my Tarte BB Tinted Primer in the color Medium to Tan. And then, as always, I'm picking up my Benefit Hello Flawless Foundation powder, pressed powder, in the color Amber. And then I'm going to move on to contour. So Kim Kardashian is the creator of the contour. So obviously for today, I'm going to do a more intense contour just to like really carve out my cheekbones the way that Kim Kardashian really usually does it. So taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the color Medium to Tan, I'm going to be taking the darkest color, which is right in the middle over here. And yeah, contouring my face. And then I'm going to move on to my concealer, and I don't usually do this, but since I am trying to mimic Kim Kardashian's makeup, I will actually be putting my concealer right on the bottom to even cut out the contour even more. So I'm going to be putting it in my regular places. Oh, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Honey, I think. I really should know. Light medium honey. And then I'm going to set my concealer with the lightest color in the contour kit, which is this over here. And I'm not baking my face this time, just because I don't really want to. But setting your concealer, but you don't have to bake your concealer for it to set. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going back into my contour. I'm taking the contour kit again, and with a smaller tapered brush, I will just be doing my nose contour. And Kim Kardashian always has a very, very intense nose contour, so I'm going to try and exaggerate it this time. I usually don't like doing a super intense nose contour, but... For blush today, I'm using the one by NARS, and this is Lovejoy. In the picture of Kim, it doesn't really look like her blush is anything super intense, so I'm just going to be like really just like putting a little bit on just to make sure that there is a flush on my cheeks. And you guys know that I always forget things, so today I forgot to do my eyebrows, so I'm going to go back in with my eyebrows and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Dark Brown, and I'm just going to fill them in. So I'm actually, I'm going to look at Kim's picture. So her eyebrows are a little bit thinner than mine, and that's okay. But they seem to follow the same sort of arch that mine do, so I'm just going to kind of exaggerate the arch a little bit more today. And then before moving back into my eyeshadow, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter. So today I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I am taking this pinkish color over here called Moonstone. In the picture of Kim, her highlight starts kind of over here, so I'm going to try and mimic that And let's see how it works. And then I'm going to take a lip brush and do the highlight down my nose. So now we're going to move it back into the dreaded eyeshadow. I'm using the same palette, the same colors. I'm just going to do it on the bottom lash line. And I'm going to try and connect it to the top eyeshadow because it's like a very cohesive makeup look. But we'll see how this works out. I'm really not feeling this. So the bottom lash line in this look is like super thick. So I don't usually do thick lower lash lines, but here we are. And it's like basically like a circle around her eye. Like everything is connected. Oh my god. I don't know how I feel about this. I really hope the eyelashes kind of pull this all together, because right now it's just like a lot. Okay, so I don't hate it. I'm gonna put on my eyelashes and be right back, and then I will tell you how I feel. Okay, you guys, I put on the fake eyelashes, I put on some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I even put on some like of my black like Marc Jacobs highliner on the bottom waterline, and I like it now. I don't mind this. I think it looks good actually. It's super dramatic and like really bold, and I don't think I'd wear this like on a regular day-to-day basis, but for a special event, if I really needed to, I would totally wear this. I love it. I actually love it a lot. I can see why Mario and Kim Kardashian like came up with this look. It's dope and I approve it. Anyway, so now we're gonna go on to the lips, and in the photo it was a very, very nude gloss that Kim is wearing, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm actually using my Kylie Cosmetics gloss that I always use, and this is in the color Like. I overline my lips just a tad because Kim Kardashian has huge lips and very, very plumpy lips, so that is what I did. So this is the final look. I love it. As you guys knew if you were watching the video, I was struggling a lot because this, I don't know if it was the palette or if it was the fact that it was like blue colors or what it was, or if I was just not doing it right because I haven't done makeup in a while, but it was kind of hard. I was definitely struggling. However, I think that at the end of it, when you put on eyelashes, you put on eyeliner, and you put on mascara and everything, it brings it all together. Otherwise, it kind of just looked like a blue blob on my face, like I was like a half Smurf or something. So I do really like this look. I hope that you guys liked it too, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.